Stop. Before you scroll to the next video, before you say, "I'll start tomorrow," let me ask you one question. How many times have you promised yourself that you will improve your English, but you didn't? Be honest. You saved videos. You bought a notebook. You followed English pages. You felt motivated for one day. And then, nothing. Days passed. Weeks passed. Your English stayed the same. If this feels like your story, then today's story is for you. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Open your heart. Because today, you will learn English through a story that might change your life. This is the story of a boy named Ayan. Ayan was not stupid. He was not lazy. He was not weak. But he had one big problem. He always said, "I will start tomorrow." Ayan wanted to speak English fluently. He dreamed of speaking confidently in interviews. He imagined traveling to new countries. He wanted to watch movies without subtitles. He wanted to express his thoughts clearly. But every time he tried to study, he felt uncomfortable. When he opened an English book, he felt small. When he heard fluent speakers, he felt embarrassed. When he tried to speak, his tongue felt heavy. So he escaped. He told himself, "Not today. I'm tired. I will start from Monday. I need the perfect plan first. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow." One evening, Ayan was sitting in his room. The lights were off. Only his phone screen was bright. He was scrolling, laughing at short videos, watching other people's success stories. Suddenly, he saw a video of his old classmate, Samir. Samir was speaking fluent English in an interview. Confident, calm, clear. People were praising him in the comments. Ayan felt something in his chest. It was not jealousy. It was pain. He whispered to himself, "We started at the same level." That night he could not sleep. He stared at the ceiling. His mind was loud. Why am I still the same? Why do I always delay? Why do I waste so much time? For the first time, he did not blame anyone else. He did not blame his school. He did not blame his family. He did not blame his country. He looked at himself, and he saw the truth. He was wasting time, not in big, dramatic ways, but in small, daily moments. 30 minutes here, 1 hour there, just 5 more minutes, again and again. Time was leaving silently. The next morning, Ayan went to visit his grandfather. His grandfather was a simple man. White hair, soft smile, strong eyes. They sat together in the small garden. After a few minutes of silence, Ayan said, "Grandpa, do you ever regret something?" His grandfather looked at him carefully. "Yes," he said. "I regret wasting time when I was young." Ayan felt his heart beat faster. His grandfather continued, "When I was your age, I thought life was long. I thought I had unlimited chances. I delayed my dreams. I delayed learning. I delayed improving myself." He looked at his hands.
And now I wish I had started earlier." Ayan swallowed hard. "But Grandpa," he asked softly, "how do I stop wasting time?" His grandfather smiled gently. "You don't stop wasting time, you start using it. There's a difference." That day, Ayan went home quietly. He did not watch videos. He did not scroll. He sat at his desk. He opened a simple English story. His heart was beating fast. His mind said, "This is boring. This is hard. You will quit again." But he read one page. Just one. Slowly. He did not understand every word, but he did not stop. After reading, he wrote 5 new words in a notebook. Then he stood in front of the mirror. He spoke one paragraph out loud. His pronunciation was not perfect. He made mistakes.
He felt shy, even though he was alone. But he finished. It took him only 20 minutes. 20 minutes. That was all. For the first time in months, he felt proud. Not because he was fluent, but because he started. The next day was harder. His alarm rang early. His body felt heavy. His bed felt warm. His mind whispered, "Sleep more. You can study later." For a few seconds, he almost gave up. Then he remembered his grandfather's face. "I regret wasting time." Ayan sat up. He washed his face. He opened his book again. Some days were good. Some days were bad. Some days he felt confident. Some days he felt stupid. But he made one rule: no 0 days. Even if he was tired, he would study for 10 minutes. Even if he was busy, he would learn 3 new words. Even if he felt sad, he would read 1 paragraph. No 0 days. Weeks passed. Something strange started to happen. English was no longer his enemy. It became his companion. He began to understand more. He began to speak more smoothly. He began to think in English sometimes. One evening, his mother asked him to help her understand a message in English. Before, he would avoid it. This time, he read it confidently. He explained it clearly. His mother smiled proudly. That smile meant more than any exam score. Months later, Ayan applied for a small internship. During the interview, the interviewer asked him, "Tell me about yourself." His heart was racing, but he did not freeze. He spoke, not perfectly, but clearly. He made a small grammar mistake. He corrected himself calmly. He did not panic. When he left the room, he took a deep breath. He realized something powerful. Confidence is not magic. It is built, word by word, page by page, day by day. He did not become fluent in 1 month. He did not become perfect, but he became consistent, and consistency changed everything. One day, he met Samir again, the classmate he once envied. They talked. Samir said, "You've improved a lot. How did you do it?" Ayan smiled. "I stopped waiting for tomorrow." That was it. No secret course, no special talent, no perfect moment, just daily effort. My friend, maybe you see yourself in Ayan. Maybe you also feel behind. Maybe you also feel embarrassed when you speak.
Maybe you also delay your goals. Let me tell you something honestly. You are not behind. You are just early in your journey. But if you keep delaying, one day you will feel regret. Regret is heavy. It sits in your chest at night. It whispers, you could have tried. You had time. You wasted it.
Do not let that voice become your future. Right now, you are here. You are listening. That means something. It means you care, and caring is the first step. Learning English is not only about language, it is about discipline. It is about growth. It is about respecting your time. You don't need 5 hours daily. Start with 20 minutes. You don't need perfect pronunciation. Start with clear effort. You don't need confidence first. Confidence comes after action. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Start unready. Start scared. Start imperfect, but start. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. If you study daily, even for 20 minutes, that is more than 120 hours in a year. Do you know how powerful that is? Small daily effort creates massive change. Ayan did not change his life in one big moment. He changed it in small, boring, quiet mornings. While others were sleeping, he was reading. While others were scrolling, he was practicing. Not because he was special, but because he was tired of wasting time. Ask yourself honestly, are you tired of wasting time or are you comfortable? Comfort feels good now, but growth feels better later. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret is permanent. Choose wisely. When this video ends, don't just feel motivated. Do something. Open a story. Learn 5 words. Speak for 2 minutes. Do not say tomorrow. Tomorrow is dangerous. Tomorrow is a trap. Today is real. Right now is real. Your future English is built today. And one day you will look back at this moment. You will smile and say, that was the day I stopped wasting time. So, my friend, use your time, protect your time, respect your time, because time is not just hours and minutes. Time is your life, and your life deserves effort. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep moving forward, and never, ever waste your time.